Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Mikoye ache bamasamba biom madaroma mufanchemi. Welcome back to GhanaToday TV. Medin di Kwaku Omega. Say the first time I will share your channel, pacho, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss notification. Yeah. Now moving straight into a news here. In Ghana, I say if you've been following the trends this week, you would know that Kumericans are trendy. Yes, Yankasa Yankro from Kumasi, they are trending all over with their very high fashion and their lifestyle. Now, if you've been following the videos, you'd see that Kumasi people almost akata boys with the blinks, the chains, their shoes, you know, they are putting on designer clothing and jewelry. And I think this new movement by them can move a lot if they can only sustain it. But yes, the dancehall king Shatawale has also tried supporting them because he has promised that he is going to feature all of the Kumerican artists on his new track. Now I drop it beat biamo and what true challenge ama Kumericans ni say omunseho. He also promised to feature people like YP and then Okesi One on the track. Now, not only that, some other celebrities have also joined in. Some celebrities like Kwaku Manu. Kwaku Manu has also urged all Ghanaians or all Kumasi people living in the diaspora to come to Kumasi and then get their passport. Yes, Sisia the Obasa Umba Kumasi na se uni passport. I am my own room. That is what is trending, guys. So just watch the video from Kwaku Manu. Very hilarious video. And then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. I'll see you in the next one.
Bob, baby, so I Kumasi for passport. No, baby. Who Kumasi passport? No, check baby. Kumasi unye baby America. Hey, Frafinaro.
Very good. I've been a mom. Open the sending was it? I'm not for a passport. I'm not for you. I must say, if you Kumasi, if I didn't go to
because as a citizen, I passport. Now, why would I was in why your passport to Kumasi?
New York.
What's it?
New York.
In New York, I knew have a Bantima for more New York. I now, I'm a Beman, Washington DC. Woman, she here Washington DC. It's a premier for him. Bema, I look like a Frankinaro. Frank, Texas. Bramafo.
Yeah, Texas. I know Texas.
Now, you must have an hour. Daban for him. The Virginia New Estate. We are sure. Check it out. What's my Kumasi? Who passport? Omo your passport. We see next week. We go back with passport. Now, me and friend Yago. We are me Chicago. Before estate Master Susa. But who say? But me and me friend Yago because said them for your passport. It's my passport. Now we come one. Your date that's so. That's so. Ah, come on. Me pacho ablagana. Uba kumasi how dying.
Mati, men this year.
What that? This year,
Donald Trump.
When you saw more teacher, we know. Agricans man are kunye. And for so now, Master Tusa. Who are both for the woman match? Washington, Tina, Kumasi for now, Mutitia, Bruchenia, the Nebu, US, Ubu, France, Ubu, Tech, Ubu, Germany, Nigeria, and Kamesi. Kumasi for a year passport, no passport. Maybe next week in the term, Miss Siramo. I did about Kobe and so we do. I just near my own Kumasi. I say, it's a location, maybe Kumasi because passport here. Munti, it's a very location. Kumasi Nibia or Abiano, Mr. Passport for your passport. Unya, Mensre, Manchester said they book Kumasi, no passport. New York. Okay, man from. She said, what's up, Bantama more than best be at 30 years.
Now be do a ukuta passport to Tima Wu. I just say who could do a big crash and idea Yajuma. Happy that didn't get side man. Don't need passport. Who passport to want to mean I just said Sisia and Sobi and Cranino Kumasia. I just said the amendment and I see no Ben. Oh, I see your citizen card. Sisia Sobu on kind. Obu Odoma, Modoma say any pattern. So be back to Kumaso. I just a me now. No, maybe I said you could passport. She said, "Me dear, gonna say you come say I just said maybe Obi or walk a unit in the time one me." She said, "Send the Kumasi for you." I say I say Kuma abroche for. Omopa adiba konsa adiba be say on say lockdown it no. I just say be omone president here dey. E kasa na omone na na so here dey. E kasa na ye do omode dey. Ye said am omode no. Ye bie pa ayina. Mesra mo ma mo akonto mesra mo. Mu ye Kumasi for amamada. Mo meye mo passport. Na see Kumasi dey. She said o mo si bi si location.
O mo si Achipalago dey oba kro mo man passport.
Achipalago mo
man passport.
I don't want dey. So magana bi.
Achipalago.
Why dey?
So call ye no. And or na adwen say ni Kumasi dey nti here no man na say ka ho.
To work out.
And this yon dey.
Oh, boy, I saw back Kumasi. I saw baby the Nkrata one. Yes, I did Tiaka. Says you are the citizen of Kumasi.
Kumasi Baba na wo.
So December we Kumasi be yet den.
Kumasi.
Wa nya
Kumasi from one of the people here come. Man, obeti dia wale Achipalago.
Man dey. Vivian Jana.
Can you Gloria? Can you?
No, can you be a man? Okay, so do I so man.
And it is passport here. Okuta new passport.
Omo passport ni here.
Omo dey here.
Ah, omo dey here.
I dey me mo do for. What the advert na me yama imam wa kontu ma mo.
Achipalago. Wo a oni passport no dey. This is obe wale. Ida can you Gloria?
Ba me so na me yemreki yenko passport.
Oh, me kwa kwa.
Boy be the need ya send me. I confront the Gina shoot me. Now, we stay to the
Akata for a boy, no Jinku, Jinku, Gina Bonti, hey, you, Yammy son of so young, hey, you. I don't do ever quite do my father. Akata for a boy, no Jinku, hey, Jinku, Gina Bonti, hey, you, Yammy son of so young. Hey, yeah, woo. I don't bet do, ever quite do my father.
Akata for ya ba no jenku, yani akata kata ye obia we street this is a moon na ye dia bobo ya so me no. Me name against the street in the so say boy be an agency to. Ye obia ye ti obia boy too foreign ya boss so. Me name gang boy you say me 100. Cut for ball no phantom dia cause na be na one anthem. When you be deep out of my way, me name nigga so day. Ballin' a day, don't give an effort to say, okay.
Akata for a boy, no Jinku, hey, Jinku, Gina Bonti, hey, you, Yammy son of so young, hey, you. I don't bet do, ever quite do my father. Akata for a boy, no Jinku.